Today I get to unbox something new for the kitchen. Let's find out what it is. So I am about to open my new Instapot. It's the Instant Pot, the 8 quart size. So let's see what this looks like. Go. It's kind of big. Move this over here. Alright. So this is what it looks like. See, this is a 7-in-1 multi-use programmable pressure cooker. It has a manual and a cookbook. Here's the manual and some recipes. Here it is. Here we go. Here's the screen right here and all the different functions. It has soup, meat stew, bean or chili, poultry, rice, multi-grain, porridge, and steam. There's a slow cook, pressure, you can adjust it, yogurt, saute, and there's manual or timer, and it also has a keep warm function. See, and this is the venting. So this is the warning that says to stay away from this one because this is where you can burn yourself. I can figure out how to open it. Open. Oh, here we go. Close is this way, and open is turn it this way. Here we go. Also has truth and a paddle. And a ladle. Your little ladle. Your scooper. And a little measuring cup. Here. And this is your collector, dew collector that probably put here on the side somewhere. And here is the little rack that you would put in the inside of your pressure cooker. It would go right down here, right there at the bottom. Another warning in here. The heating elements inside. So this is the 8-liter one. You can see how big it is. Let's see how this goes.